Here's a unique fact about the St. Lawrence River that many people might not know. The river is home to a rare and endangered species of freshwater mussel called the eastern pearl shell. The mussels play a crucial role in maintaining water quality by filtering out pollutants and providing habitat for other aquatic life. Their presence indicates a healthy and balanced ecosystem, making the St. Lawrence River at Hawkesbury an important area for conservation efforts. Isn't it fascinating how even the smallest creatures can have such a big impact on their environment? Here is another interesting tidbit about the St. Lawrence River. It was a crucial part of the fur trade route in the 17th and 18th centuries. Early European settlers, primarily the French, used the river as major transportation route for fur trading. The area around Hawkesbury was significant for its strategic location, allowing easy access to various trading posts around the river. The voyageurs, French-Canadian fur trades, would navigate the river in the large canoes loaded with furs, often facing challenging conditions like rapids and harsh weather. Trades played a vital role in the economic and cultural exchange between Europeans and indigenous people.